This is the 2021 Tesla Model Y long range all-wheel drive. This one's a 7-seater with white interior. The EPA range on this is 326 miles. Starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Moving on to the back. These seats do fold down as well for that additional room. Show you guys what that looks like. And then these seats could also get pushed forward for even more room. And then under here, you have some more storage space. Let's move on to the interior. Super nice white interior. USB-Cs. All right, moving on to the third row seats. All right. Cool. Right here's going to be your charge port. All right. Moving on now to the front seats. Wireless phone chargers. I'll show you guys the cameras. Includes the acceleration boost. Nice. All right. Alright guys, there you go. That's our 2021 Tesla Model Y long range all-wheel drive 7-seater with that white interior.